Welcome to all of you. This is my second class on double integration. So today I am going to solve a most important problem from double integral. And okay, first of all, I am writing the problem here. So this is our problem. If R is a triangle, if R is a triangle joining by the points 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. That means this is a triangle like this. This is our origin 0, 0, 1, 0 point and 0, 1 point. This shaded region represent the area R. So we should find out the value of this integration over the region R, right? To solve this type of problem, first of all, we need to take a suitable transformation, because if you start this problem with original function, with original integrand, that is e to the power y minus x by y plus x, then it is too difficult to evaluate the value of this, because this is the mixture of two functions fxy equals to e to the power y minus x by y plus x. So it is too difficult to integrate, right? So that's why here I am using a suitable transformation. There are so many transformations, right? But you have to choose a suitable one such that we reduced the difficulty of this problem. So here I am transforming this using the transformation x plus y equals to v and y minus x equals to u, right? So this is the solution. So here I am using this suitable transformation. So from here if I solve these two equations, then we will have y equals to u plus v by 2, and similarly x equals to v minus u by 2, right? Just adding this, you will get the value of y, cancel out this x, and you will get the value of y, and if you subtract this from this, then you will get the value of x. So it is a very simple calculation. Find out these two, y, this is express y as a function of uv, and express x as a function of this first of all. So here this is our suitable transformation, and then we get the value of x is this and the value of y is this, right? And we have already told in my previous class the rules of transformation. How can I transform given double integral into the another double integral in another region, right? So here I am using this transformation, right? And where y equals to this and x equals to this. Now first of all, we need to find out the Jacobian, right? The Jacobian, here the Jacobian is del xy by del uv. You have to find out this Jacobian, because here I am writing the formula. First of all, the formula of transformation. Suppose I am transforming this function if xy dx dy. This is our given integral, and using a suitable transformation, suppose x equals to alpha and y equals to alpha uv, suppose uv, and y equals to beta uv. This is a suitable one transformation, right? So this double integral is transformed into the another double integral over the region r prime. The region should be changed after using this transformation, so it will be just replace the here this expression x by alpha of uv, and next it will be beta of uv, and then Jacobian, then mod of Jacobian, right? This j stands for Jacobian, and then d alpha d beta, right? D alpha d beta, and this Jacobian is given by J equals to del xy by del uv. The Jacobian is given by del xy by del uv, not del uv by del xy, right? It will be del xy by del uv, because I am transforming from this xy variable into the uv variable. So this xy should be numerator. So del xy by del uv, this is our Jacobian, and we should take the modulus value of this Jacobian, because area can't take negative value, right? So this transform into, this is the formula. Now I am using this formula. So first of all we should calculate the Jacobian. So here the Jacobian is given by this, and the formula of Jacobian is del x del u del x del v del next del y del u del y del v, right? This is the formula for Jacobian. Now I am calculating the value of this Jacobian, right? So del x del u. What is the value of del x del u? I have already written that x equals to v minus u by 2 and y equals to v plus u by 2. So del x del u. Del x del u means del x del u. That means just differentiate this with respect to u. So it will be minus half, right? Similarly, now calculate del x del v. Del x del v. Del x del v means half, right? As you can see here, del x del v means half. Now del y del u. Del y del u means del y del u. Del y del u means half, and del y del v, this is also half. Now just putting the value in this expression, we will have, so here I am putting the all values, right? Del x del u means here putting the value of del x del u minus, sorry, it will be minus half. So the value of del x del u, this is minus half, and the next one is del x del v, right? Del x del v equals to half, half, half. Now calculating these two, so the after calculation you will get minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, 1 by 2, that means minus 1 by 2, and we should take the positive value, that means mod j. Mod j means half, right? Minus mod half means half. So this is the value for Jacobian. That means we have got this value j as half, right? Now just to replace this, here I am replacing this x by alpha in this expression. So that's why here I am replacing the y minus x by u and y plus x by v. So this is the integration over r. So it will be e to the power y minus x. Y minus x means u, y plus x means v, and the value of Jacobian, right? Just compare this formula, e to the power u by v half d u dv, right? Over this region, the region become changed into r prime. Now you have to determine its limit. So before determining the limits, we have to draw the figure corresponding to the transformation. Actually, this figure transform into the another figure. This figure is represented by capital R. Now I am drawing the figure after using this transformation. So here I am drawing this figure. This is the figure corresponding to the transformation. The transformation was x plus y equals to v and y minus x equals to u. This was our transformation, and corresponding this transformation, this figure transform into this figure, right? So this region is represented by r, and this shaded region is represented by r prime. Now we have to find out the value of this integration on this region, over this region r prime. So it is clear from this figure that there are two variables u and v. There are two variables u and v, and u varies from this to this, and v varies from 0 to 1, right? Now I am going to telling you that how can I determine this limit u equals to v and u equals to minus v, as well as how can I determine this v equals to 1 from 0. So to determine the limit, just look at this one. So this figure, look at this figure. This figure is bounded by x equals to 0, y axis, y equals to 0, x axis, and x plus y equals to 1, a line. The equation of this line is x plus y equals to 1, right? This is the equation of the line. I am named it AB. So AB, equation of line is this. Therefore the previous picture, that means the region R is bounded by this, Now I am using this straight line to find out the limits, or to find out, or to draw this picture, right? So x equals to 0. We have already calculated that x equals to v minus u by 2, and so here I am putting x equals to 0, right? I am putting this x equals to 0. So we will have v minus u equals to 2, v minus u by 2 equals to 0, right? Sorry, v minus u by 2 equals to 0. That means v equals to u. Similarly, for y equals to 0, we have already calculated y equals to u plus v by 2. That means u equals to minus v. So if I am putting y equals to 0, right? If I am putting here y equals to 0, then it will be u plus v by 2 equals to 0. That means u equals to minus v. This is the another straight line. Now I am using x plus y equals to 1. Now the another is x plus y equals to 1. So x plus y equals to 1. This gives us x plus y equals to 1, right? So x equals to just putting the value of x, v minus u by 2 plus v plus u by 2 equals to 1. So cancel out this u portion, we will have v equals to 1 only. So it is clear to you that how can I draw this picture, right? And from here it is clear v varies from 0 to 1 and u varies from minus v to v, right? U varies from, this is v to minus v, right? Hence I am putting the limit. So if you have any problem to understand this portion, this is the most vital portion. How can I determine the limit of a double integration? So you just pause the video and try to understand with this calculation, right? So now I am putting the limits here. Therefore the limit v goes to 0 to 1, and this u equals to minus v2, u equals to v, and next e to the power u by v half. And now since this interior integral varies from minus v to v, that means this is the limit for u. Since this integral takes the limit for u, therefore we should integrate this with respect to du. First of all, you have to maintain this order, right? So here first of all you should integrate with respect to u. Why? Because here I am using the limit for y, sorry, limit for u, not y. Here I am using the limit for u, so you have to integrate this with respect to u, because I am using here the limit for u. U varies minus v to v, and since the outer limit is the limit for v, that is v equals to 0 to 1, therefore next we have to integrate it by with respect to v, right? So now the given integral is converted into a simple integration, and which is very easy to evaluate. Now find out the value of this integration. Now when I am integrating this with respect to u, keeping v constant, right? Keeping v constant, therefore it will be 0 to 1 and half. So here keeping v constant, e to the power 1 by v, this is the constant portion, and since I am integrating this with respect to u, so it will be v here, right? 1 by v, that means v, so v e to the power u by v. I am writing here u by v, right? So this is u by v, and the limit is minus v to v, right? Next with respect to dv, therefore this is equals to half integrate 0 to 1 v of e minus e to the power minus 1, right? E minus e to the power minus 1 dv, just putting the value of u is replaced by v and then minus v, then you will have this value. Now half of e minus e to the power minus 1, this is the constant part, and the next with respect to v, it will be v square by 2 with the limit 0 to 1, right? Therefore this is the value of the integration is given by 1 by 4 e minus 1 by e. This is the answer. So hence we have solved it. So if you understand this total concept from this video properly, so just like and subscribe it. Thanks to all of you.